My name is Sunday Bada. I am here again to teach you guys how to solve mathematics question from indices. If x raised power 2x equals to 64 multiplied by 4 raised power 3y, express x in terms of y. Now let me write out the question before we begin. Equals to 64 multiplied by 4 raised power 3y. The next thing we are going to do, we are going to pieces this in bases. Now, what can we use to pieces the 8? 2. 2 raised power 3 is the same thing as 8. 2 times 2, 4. 4 times 2, 8. Meaning that we are going to say 2 raised power 3, same thing as 2s like this. What is the number that we can multiply that will give us 64? 2. So we are going to turn this 64 into what? Into base as well, which is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 in 6 times. Is going to give us what? It's going to give us 64. 2 raised power 6 is going to give us 64. The same thing, we can pieces this 4. 2 raised power 2 is the same thing as what? 4. 2 raised power 2 is the same thing as 4. 3y. The next we are going to do, multiply this 3 by 2x. It's going to give me what? 6x. 2 raised power 6 multiplied by 2 times 3 is going to give me what? 6y. Now the next thing we can do, I can just cut out all the base, but I want to combine this one, this 2 times 2. I want to turn this to single what? To single base. Whenever you see multiplication, it means plus in the law of indices. 2 raised power 6x is equal to 2. 6 plus 6y. That's it. Now the next thing we are going to do now is that we are going to cut out the base, which is this one, this. Now, after we cut out the base, what do we have left? The raised power, we are going to write them out. 6x equals to 6 plus 6y. We can factorize this one. What is the factorization between 6 plus 6y? Is 6. 6s is equal to 6. Here 1. Because how many 6 can it be? 1. Here the 6 will go away, remainder y. Now we have factorized it now. The question says express x in terms of y. It means that the coefficients, what we are trying to substitute for is x. Anything coefficients of x, we are going to divide it with what? 6. Here, divided by 6. 6 here 1, 6 here 1. So that the x will stand alone. 6 here 1, 6 here 1. What do we have left? We have x is equals to 1 plus y. That's our final answer, because the question says express in terms of y. Question did not give us y. Our final answer is 1 plus y. Do we have that? Yes, option A is our correct answer. A. Thank you for listening. I remain Sunday Bada. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos like this. Bye bye.